Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Capital One account to Apple Pay. First, open your Apple Wallet app, tap your Apple Cash card at the top of the screen. Tap Add Money, enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose your Capital One debit or bank account. Make sure it's already linked to your Apple Wallet. Tap Add, then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And that's it. The money from your Capital One account will instantly move to your Apple Cash balance, ready to use with Apple Pay. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.